today I am going to explain how to prepare baked chicken for especially chronic kidney disease patients, liver cirrhosis patients and dilated cardiomyopathy, that are patients. Here again chicken should be deskinned and it's having a rich proteins and it has to be prepared, baked with a defined herbs, that is onion, green chilies, ginger, garlic, or tomato, all these things. The detailed preparations can be seen in PDF format. It can be downloaded in the description, and also visually you can see how I have got prepared this, and you will really enjoy it breakfast, for lunch and dinner.